Hey guys, welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. I'm just about to reveal to you a content locking trick that you can actually make use of things trending online to make money with CPA marketing. And guys, you just need to watch this video right here to the end to learn this strategy and utilize that in making extra income online. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, make sure guys that you're subscribed to the channel right here and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, you want to come onto this platform CPA Grip. Go on to creating an account by clicking on register. You will be brought to a page such as this. Provide your basic details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs and then go on to agreeing to the terms of service before clicking on register now to go on to registering for an account, then go on to logging into your account. Once you do log into your account, to come to this page, come onto this section, click on monetization tool, select the URL file locker and be brought to this page right here. So basically guys, you can just simply go on to creating a simple URL file locker right now. So for your URL file locker, all you actually need to do is to come right here, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be brought to a page such as this. You can actually go onto the template section to select a kind of template you want. Maybe I'm going to use a captcha template. Go back to general and I can just simply give this locker a name. So I can just simply name it something like trending topic. So if I do name this something like trending topic, next thing we need to do is to just simply go on to grabbing a trending topic. You could use platforms like Google Trends to actually go on to checking out what is trending right now in the United States, and you can actually do see what's trending right now in the United States. You could also go on to using social media platforms like Twitter right here. You can see these are actually what's trending on Twitter. Maybe if I do refresh the page once more, you actually do see what's trending on Twitter. To gain access to this section, just simply come right here, click on explore, and you can see what's trending on Twitter. You can actually do see Aguero is trending on Twitter. You can see the amount of posts right here, 11.7 thousand posts. You could also see Rafinha, Ajax, and Sack is actually trending on Twitter. This one has the about 34.8 thousand posts right here, and if you do open that right now, you'll be able to see much more details right here about this, and this is about American football right now. So you can actually do see much more details right there. So basically guys, if I want to take advantage of this one right here, which is Aguero, all I need to do is to go onto a new tab right here and actually go onto searching for facts you didn't know about Aguero. So if I do go on to searching for this right here, as you can see right here, this is the person Kun Aguero and Premier Skill English British Council. You can actually do see right here that if you do keep on scrolling through, you can see 10 things you didn't know about Sergio Aguero right here. You can see 10 little things about this person. All you need to do right now is to just simply copy this and click on this particular one right here. You can actually do see right there that this is actually carrying the Manchester City stamp, and this is just written by Manchester City right here. And you can see more facts about the person right here on this page. So all you need to do is just simply copy the link to this particular page right here. If you do copy that, go onto your CPA marketing platform and paste that in your locked URL section. So right now guys, if you do paste the link right there, just simply click on save. Your URL file locker will be generated right now. You can actually do click on get link and copy the link to your URL file locker. Maybe right now guys, you might actually need to go on to creating a simple landing page. For that, you could utilize any platform of your choice. You could use platforms like Breezy Cloud. All you need to do right now is you just simply click on get started is free. To go on to registering is actually free and easy. So I'm just going to go on to logging into my account right now. So once I do login, I'll be brought to this page. I'm going to just simply use the Breezy Cloud right here. And if I do click on go to Breezy Cloud, it's going to take me to my account right there on Breezy Cloud. I'm going to just simply click on create new project, create website / landing page, and I'm just going to go on to selecting the type of landing page I want. Maybe I'm just going to select the blank layout right here, which starts with this design. If I don't actually do use that right now, as you can see, it's going to take me to my dashboard once more, which I actually need to click on this right here. Click on, or rather I'm just going to click on this edit project. If I do click on edit project right now, it's going to go on to taking me to a page where I can just simply edit this landing page. And I'm just going to create a simple landing page. I'm going to click on this plus icon. I'm going to go on to selecting a template right now. Maybe I'm just going to utilize this first template, select that right here, and I'm just going to go on to changing this image. To change this image, I'm to just simply come right here and just simply search for images about Aguero. So I'm just going to come onto Google and search for Aguero. So this is the footballer right here. I'm going to go on to the news and images section to get cool images about this footballer right now. So if I just simply go on to selecting this image right here, you can actually just see the much more details about the image. I'm going to right click on this and save the image on my device. So once the image has been saved on my device, I'm going to head back to Breezy Cloud. I'm just going to come right here and click on this image section, cancel this right to remove the previous, click on upload, go on to uploading mine right now. So if I do select mine right there, mine has actually been uploaded right now. I can just simply select the focus point right here to this section right now, and that has actually been selected right there. So I can zoom in the image based on my preference right now. I'm just going to leave it as it is right here. So for this section, I'm going to just simply delete this right here. I'm just going to change this to exactly the same title with that article that I'm going to be using right here. As you can see, the article says 10 things you didn't know about Sergio Aguero. So I'm going to copy that right now, head back to that particular page, and just simply paste that in right here. So right here, I'm just going to just simply come right here, delete this entire section. I'm also going to delete this right now. So if I delete this, I'm going to click on this plus icon, click on button, and actually drag and drop this right here. So once I've added my button right here, I'm just going to edit the button text. So I can just simply put in something like read more right here. I could change the alignment right here to somewhere right here. Maybe I could just simply go on to increasing the font size by highlighting the text, click on this text icon, then just simply increase the font size right here based on my preference. So you can actually just see how cool this actually looks like right now. Basically, once I'm done with this page, all I need to do right here is to save this as a draft. And once this has been saved as a draft right here, I could just simply click on publish page and go back to my dashboard right now. So if I do head back to my dashboard, this is the particular landing page right here. All I need to do is to click on this link right here, select the subdomain right now to choose that. I'm going to selecting a very cool domain. Maybe I can just simply put in something like Kun Aguero. So if I do select this right here, I'm going to click on submit to see if this is available. This is available and that has been used. So I could just simply click on this icon right here, and that's actually going to go on to taking me to that particular landing page right here. So you can see how cool that is. But previously I forgot to actually attach that our CPA URL file locker to this section called read more, so that once people do click on read more, it's going to take them to that page, which is why I'm going to go back to edit this project. So once I'm back here right here, this section that says read more, I'm just going to highlight this, click on this link icon, and you want to just simply go on to paste, clicking on URL, go back to your URL file locker, copy the link, head back to that particular landing page and actually paste that in right here. So guys, this actually means that once people click on this text, it's going to take them to my landing page or my URL file locker. You can actually do the same for the image right here and just simply paste that in right here, and that's actually going to be done. All you need to do right now, click on update, and the effect of that will be made. So I could just simply refresh this page and the effect of that changes will be made to this page right now. So when somebody do click on read here, read more, it's going to take them to my URL file locker, as you can see right here. So basically all you need to do right now is just simply go back, copy the link to your landing page right here, and go on to utilizing that to get traffic right here just by going onto platforms like Twitter right here. You can actually go on to opening any post right here on this particular person, and you could just simply go onto the comment section and just simply go on to commenting on that post. You could just simply comment on that post right here and tell them, here are facts you didn't know about this person, Kun Aguero. And if you do put in that right there, for people that are actually interested in this topic, they will be able to go on to seeing that comment and go on to clicking on that to know more about this person, and they actually need to complete an offer before they can gain access to that particular article. You could just simply keep on scrolling through and just simply go on to as many posts as you can and comment on such posts to get a lot of traffic. So these are very cool way you can use to go on to making a lot of money online. So basically guys, that's it for this video right here. If the video did add some value to you, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.